slow. Ooh, yeah. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow. Palm trees swaying, do you feel that breeze? Rolling down the boulevard, feeling at ease. Cruising, moving on that West Coast ride. Say barbecue flames and the ocean tide. Catch the vibe, keep it alive. So real, so true. This laid back life's just what we do. Chilling at the cookout, grab a plate. Got ribs, got wings, I just can't wait. Talk smack with the homies, laugh till we cry. And the beat still bumps as the sun says goodbye. Now throw your hands up if you feel this breeze. Come on. West Coast vibing got you weak in the knees. Low riders bouncing with the funk turn high. Under neon skies, man, we're feeling fly. Cruising, grooving on that West Coast ride. Say barbecue flames and the ocean tide. Let me hear ya. Catch your vibe, keep it alive. So real, so true. This laid back life's just what we do. Full moon shining, streets come alive. Candy paint gleaming, yeah, we thrive. Oh yeah. Boombox bumping, let the good times roll. Funk so strong, it's seeping in your soul. Full moon shining, streets come alive. Candy paint gleaming, yeah, we thrive. Boombox pumping, let the good times roll. Funk so strong, it's seeping in your soul. Full moon shining, streets come alive. Candy paint gleaming, yeah, we thrive. Ooh yeah, boombox pumping, let the good times roll. Funk so strong, it's seeping in your soul.
My shades, riding low and slow. This vibe never fades.
What's up?
Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk box singing, setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Double Dutch beats bumping, trunk ride smooth. Neighbors nodding heads, they catching the groove.
That's right.
Chrome rims spinning, reflections of dreams. On these West Coast streets, nothing's what it seems. Hey, hey, let me see your hands up high. Hands up. We vibing now till the moon hits the sky. Ooh, yeah. Talk box wailing like a voice from the stars. This coast culture lives in our hearts, no scars. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk box singing, setting spirits at ease. From hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. loud through the laid-back beat. Golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. Plotting life stories on a corner stoop seat. What's good? Laughter echoes loud through the laid-back beat. Golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. You cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Oh yeah! Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. Come on! From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Oh yeah! Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. Come on! From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing.
Concrete drains where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside. Street lights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero fell. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside. At night, soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
bos?
Soto Makassar. Bis, let's go, kita makan. Best ini. Kalau katanya Carlos apa the best ini?
Passwordnya dulu dong. Mari cop. Mari kita coba. Coba satu suapnya.
Ini kurang kuah nih yang benar ya, kurang air.
Masa sih?
Jadi kurang banyak itu kuahnya.
paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echo